Hello and welcome back to Phonic class. So are you excited for today's class, children? Okay, welcome back all of you after a 1 week gap, okay? So now children, today we will learn the new sound, okay? So the sound is D, okay? The letter is D and the sound is D. Say with me. Da, da, da. Well done. So, we are learning the da sound. Okay. The letter is D, but the sound is da. Okay. The letter is D, but the sound is da. Okay. So, as you can see, here we have the da sound, okay? Which sound? Da sound. Let's do some air tracing to make the da sound, okay? And now children, what you need to do is, first I will tell you how to trace the da sound. After that, you will do along with me with your index finger. Okay children? So here's the D sound. Standing line and then the curve. Okay, left side. The curve should be left side. Okay, this side. Standing line and the curve to the left. Okay, this is your right and this is our left. So the curve is left side. Okay, standing line and then the curve left side. Okay, so again now you also do along with me. Okay, standing line and the curve left side. Okay, left side. Okay children, now you also do standing line and the curve to the left. Okay, standing line and then the curve to the left. Okay, have you got it? Shall we do it again? Okay, so standing line and the curve to the left. Okay, doing this way, because if I will do this way, then it will be opposite for you. Okay, you will see it oppositely, but I am telling you this way so that you see the D sound in the correct formation. Okay, so now one more time we will do the air formation of the D sound. Okay, all of you ready? Standing line and the curve to the left. Standing line and the curve to the left. Okay, so this was the air tracing of the D sound. Okay, now we will see the formation too. So children, for the formation I will tell you here on this board. Okay, so see very carefully because you need to make the D sound later on. Okay, so first I will make the D sound on the dotted line. Okay, and then I will make the D sound without dot. Okay, so now let's see. This is the D sound. Okay, with sound D. So now I will make the D sound on the dots. So you need to remember that our D sound starts with our red line and then ends to the second blue line. So we will make a standing line, okay, and then the curve to the left, okay. We will make the curve left side and the curve will come between this two blue line, okay. So now I will make the D sound without dots, okay. So can you see the dot here? So from the red line I will go down to the second blue line, okay. So this will be the standing line. Then I will make the curve to the left, okay. So this is D sound and your curve will come between these two blue line, okay. Children, if you will make the D sound to the right, then it will be wrong, okay. It becomes the another sound, okay. So remember, your curve will come between this two blue line and it will come to the left, okay. Your this side, not this side, okay. So standing line and the curve to the left, okay. So this was the formation and I've told you the air tracing, okay, of the D sound. Now let's see some of the pictures here, okay. So here we have D, dog. Say with me, D, dog. D, dog. D, dog. Do you have dogs in your house? Yes, I have. But I will show you in another video. Okay, I will show you my dog. D, door. D, door. D, door. Okay, so all of you have doors in your house. When you go out, you shut the door. When you go in, you open the door. Okay. Next is the donut. The donut. The donut. Okay. So donut is a eatable. Okay. Eatable thing which you eat. Okay. So it's a it's sweet, okay, and children mostly like, okay. So this is the donut. Now here's we have the duck, duck, the duck, the duck, the duck, okay. Have you seen ducks? Yes, they float on the water. Yes, they like to be in the water, okay. So mostly the ducks are white in color, okay, but some of the ducks are yellow also and in different color also, okay. So now let's see last picture. The drum. The drum. The drum. Okay. Do you know drum? Yes. Yes. Drum is the thing that we play on with the sticks. Okay. I have the drumsticks here. Can you see? It's the drumstick. Okay, I don't have the drum, okay, but I have the drumstick. Okay, so when you have the drum with you, you play with this sticks on the drum. Okay, so today when we will learn the phonic song, in that you need to pretend to be playing the drum. So practice now. Okay, playing drum. Okay, let me show you this way. Playing drum. Okay, so in the song we will do playing drum. All of you do with me. Playing drum. Once again, playing drum. Good job. Okay, now let's do the phonic song and the action. Action I have told you already. Okay, now let's do the action and learn the new phonic song for the D sound. Let's learn the new phonic song for the D sound. With sound, D sound. D. Okay? Okay. Let's sing the song and do the action. Okay. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. Okay. So did you got the sound? If not, then we will do it again. Okay, let's do it again. So this time you also do the action and sing the song. Try to sing the song along with me. Okay, the song is see me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Okay, so you also will do with me. Okay, now see me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. So now children, take your phonics pupil book 1. You need to do the work in this book, okay? So take this book out and then you need to turn on to the page number 13. Page number 13. And what you will do is you will color in the picture. You need to color in this picture neatly and correctly. Don't take out the color outside, okay? Then it won't look nice. So I have taken 3 colors here. I will do the color. I will do the brown color in the sticks. And then I will take this golden yellow on the straps and on the sides of the drum. And then I will take the green color on the drum sheet, okay? I will color the green color on this. So I will color this drum and I will show you how you need to color the drum. So color it very neatly and tidily. Okay, so this way we need to color. So I have done this coloring, and as you can see I have done the color, and you can see it's looking nice now, and I want you to color it in the same way and do it nicely. Now please take your pencil and your eraser outside. We will do the writing work, okay? Okay children, now let's do some writing work, okay? So you need to write the D sound on the dots. So I will show you how you need to make the D sound. So in this way you will make the D sound. First you will make the standing line and then you will make the curve on the left side, okay? Standing line and then the curve on the left side, as I have told you on the board also. Standing line and then the curve on the left side, okay? Now here you need to make the D sound without dots, okay? So standing line and then the curve on the left side, okay? Again I will tell you, standing line and then the curve on the left side. So in this way you need to do your work in the book. And for the second line I will tell you how you need to do the second line. So in this, what you will do, you will write the previous sounds on the dots and without dot, like this, and then you will finish your work. So you will make the sound this way, but we usually make in this way, okay? Like the second time I am making, it's the same way we make the k sound. Now we will make the eh sound. This is the eh sound. You will make it on dot and then without dot. So in the same way you need to do both the lines. Now this is the work that you need to do today. This much for today. Thank you for watching this video children. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye kids.